Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the app ready. Make sure Viber is updated and you know whether location permission is currently allowed. Open Viber and stop on the main chat list. Once there, tap the More or Settings icon. This is the first actionable step to control location sharing. You do this because Viber organizes privacy options inside settings, not chats. Make sure your device has battery and network. Then proceed to Privacy, so you can locate the exact toggle for sharing and live location features. Now that you're in Privacy, find Location or Location Services and select Viber from the app list. Tap to change permission. On Android, set permission to deny or only while using app if you still want limited use. On iPhone, choose Never to fully disable. Also locate and switch off any share location or live location toggles inside Viber's own privacy settings so chats can't send your position. Once done, exit settings and double-check a chat to confirm the location button is disabled or finish by testing in a chat. Try the attach or plus menu. The location option should be inactive or will ask for permission. If it still appears, restart your device to apply permission changes, then revisit settings to confirm deny or never is active. If problems persist, back up your Viber messages, reinstall the app, and recheck permissions on first launch. As a key troubleshooting tip, check system-wide location services if they're enabled but app permission blocked. Viber won't access GPS, which is the intended outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.